Mercedes VLE futuristic electric luxury sedan hijo innovation, performance or elegance kabetarine sangam hai. Ye car unlogan liye banai gaye hijo sustainable mobility sath premium experience. B. Chahte hain, Iska exterior design, sleek or minimalist high jahan aerodynamic curves, flush door handles, or digital LED lighting system use kiye gayi. Black panel front grille or illuminated Mercedes logo is KO modern or tech-forward identity. Dete hain, Iska stance, confident or graceful high. Joe road par ek bold presence, create karta, hai. Performance K mamli main Mercedes VLE, kisi B high-end, luxury EV say calm nahi. Is mine dual, electric motors, gaye hain, Joe instant torque or smooth acceleration. Provide kart hain, car ka 0 say 100 km/h tack, car say far kach high seconds main te hata high, or Iska high capacity battery pack long range sath, efficient charging B support karta high, adaptive air suspension or intelligent drive modes ha, condition main smooth or controlled ride ensure kart hain. Yeah car not just fast high bouquet intelligent B with features like regenerative braking, energy recovery, or smart navigation based on range prediction. Mercedes VLEQ, interior futuristic or ultra luxurious high, cabin main premium materials, kiye istamal, kiye gayi highs vegan leather, wood inserts or ambient LED lighting, panoramic glass roof or spacious rear cabin, eyes executive class comfort, dete high, large curved touchscreen haptic feedback controls, or AI-based voice assistant eyes X, smart lounge bannet hain on wheels, Mercedes KA MBUX system real-time connectivity or customization options, KA sath driver or passengers dono KOEK, personalized, experience dete, HAI. Safety features, main autonomous emergency braking, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, or 360-degree camera system. Shamel hain, Joe total peace of mind. Liye design kiye hain, Mercedes VLE surfak electric car nahi bulke futuristic vision high. Jahan elegance environment or engineering ka perfect balance banaya gayi. Yakar ane whale door qa ek naya standard set karti high.